Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enter the AppSumo $100,000 giveaway as well as shop for Black Friday deals here on AppSumo. In order to do so, first off you want to make sure that you go to appsumo.com and that you're all logged in. And once you're there, then you should be met with a screen similar to this. If you are not on this screen, then you can select here where it says Shop Black Friday up at the top right hand corner, or you could select here as well. They go to the same place. We'll go ahead and click that, and from here you can see the Black Friday highlights. So all of the different deals that are available here for Black Friday. If you go through, you'll be able to see all of the deals that they have available. And AppSumo is interesting in that you can purchase any of these options here for a lifetime access instead of a subscription. You can just purchase these various tools outright. So let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the Black Friday here where it says 10% off, and this does take us to a slightly different page. And from here, if you scroll down, you're going to find the Black Friday $100,000 giveaway, and here is where you can sign up to win big. So we'll go ahead and just click on that just so that you can see for yourself what you can expect. So you have 8 days left to sign up as of the time of this video, and if you want, you can either enter with your email or you can enter with Google. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like and subscribe for more helpful tips.